And welcome to the night of rhythm, revelation, and rising stars. Streaming live from Kuwait on Facebook and YouTube tonight. We are just not hosting a show, we are launching a movement, a celebration of new voices, bold debuts, and the magic of live performances. Let me introduce to you the team who's going to be live on this show. Let me go alphabetically. So let me first start up with first up, brace yourself for the powerhouse known as Armando, the singing titan. His voice, pure voltage. Then we have the dynamic duo, Ashwin and Cynthia, freshly tuned, bringing harmony, heart, and a whole new vibe. The stage will shimmer with Natasha Cardoz, a radiant dancer and a vocalist whose light is impossible to miss. Rising with grace and grit, Rachel, our emerging singer who is ready to make her mark. And then comes the one and only Walanka, twinkle star, lighting up the night with a charm and charisma. Feel the pulse with Valente, Rhythm King, whose beats will move you from head to toe. And behind the scenes, making it all seamless, are EchoStream Productions, the live production team with Elton and Scott. And keeping the whole show on point, Victor, our event coordinator. He is just extraordinary. So let's call upon that personality to add a sparkle of sparkle with Tessie. A little sprinkle of sparkle, and she turns into a festive fairy who is all prepared to be dazzled. So I call upon Tessie to kindly come forward and join me as we host this show together.
Thank you, Romeo, for the introduction. And of course, getting a jump start to this program. And yes, you guessed it right. Romeo, the Gulf Goddess of Goa, is here to stir souls and lift spirits. So, wherever you are, drop a comment, share the stream, and let the music take over. This is Quaid Stage, and tonight it belongs to the dreamers. Let's turn it up. Let's begin.
Well, the Catholic season of Advent for 2025 officially begins on Sunday, November 30th. But here in Kuwait, we begin our Advent journey a little earlier today. That's right, today, November the 20th, with the Sunday liturgy. And what better way to kick it off than our very own live Christmas show? Let's begin the season with joy, music, and a spirit of Christmas.
Well, let me give you all a gist of tonight's program. Live from Kuwait, here's what's coming up your way tonight. We've got two exciting rounds of performances. Round one, get ready for the festive spirit as our singers bring you the magic of Christmas songs, joyful, heartfelt, and full of sparkle.
And round two. That's right, round two. Now we shall shift gears and celebrate our rich culture with the secular Konkani songs, full of rhythm, soul, and that unmistakable coastal charm. But that's not all. Between some of the performances, we also will be running a live quiz open to everyone watching. And who knows, you might be tonight's lucky winner. Well, let me explain to you how the quiz works. But before that, let me ask you a simple question out there. Are you getting our vocals clear? And if not, please drop in your comments that you cannot hear anything or if the vocals are not clear. But in other words, if there is something wrong with our live streaming, please do let us know by your valuable comments. That would help us out to reach out to the globe. Now, let me explain to you how the quiz works. We'll ask a question based on something related to this season. And how do you answer? Just drop your comments with your answer, followed by the country from where you're watching this show. Very easy. The answer and the comments, in the comments, your answer, and then the country from where you're watching us. The comments with the correct answer will be chosen at random. So stay alert, stay quick, and who knows, you could be a winner. Well, don't forget, as I said, please specify your location from where you are putting in the comments so that we could know from where you're watching us. Please specify your location, as there would be a special prize for those of you who are from Kuwait. Well, what's the prize? It's lying on in a box just onto my left-hand side. I won't be revealing the prize till the quiz starts. So all those people who are from Kuwait would be having a special gift from us. And for the globe, yes, something else. Let's see what.
To begin this musical evening, we have Gulf Voice of Goa, Romeo, bringing in some Christmas vibes to the carol titled Bon Era, Silver Bells. Let's embrace the true spirit of Christmas as we watch this live program and welcome the stars of the evening. Let's welcome our first singer on this program, presenting Romeo.
Thank you very much, Tase. Rostel tolong, uben bolong, bilkul na lugar, adung weta, natala soepa. Burgi hasta, koi murgota, koshen koro, tantara, char konchani, koi bolla, baza, onera. Di bonera Natala inimul gomoita Nadwasta por gorzata Wegin dis Natalato yeta Strings of streetlights, even spotlights, bring the bright and green as the shoppers rush home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids brunch. This is Santa's big scene, and above all the bustles you hear. Silver bells. Silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, oh, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Sing along with me. Say, soon it will be Christmas Day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Romeo. When you sing, it looks like there's music filled in the air. And to our dear viewers, we are here with the first question of our quiz. And the question is, what did the other reindeer not let Rudolph do because of his shiny red nose? I repeat, what did the other reindeer not let Rudolph do because of his shiny red nose? Come on, dear viewers, start sending in your answers and we wish you all the best. Carol singing. Oh, let's go caroling. When we hear these words, our hearts jump with joy, isn't it? Here comes our emerging singer, Miss Rachel, with a joyful heart to sing the carol titled Jesu Zolmola. Let's welcome her on stage with beautiful smiles and cheer.
भुरगीं हांसता भुरगीं नाचता कुशालकायेन उडटा वेता तुयसोर बोबाव जाता सगळें शार गासता संतोष बोरीत काळजान आनंद कोरया जेजू जल्मला घोरांनी फामील सगळीं एकठांय आमी जातात कॅरल सिंगींग आमी करून कुशालकाय वाडयता संतोष बोरीत काळजान आनंद कोरया जेजू जल्मला गोरवाच्या गोठ्यांत बालोक जाला राजाचो राजा आमकां मेळ्ळा कुशालकायची खबर सगळ्यांक दिवया संतोष बोरीत काळजान आनंद कोरया जेजू जल्मला दुस्मानकाय आमी पयस कोरया इश्टा गोतीचें पावल आमी मारया कुशालकायची खबर सगळ्यांक दिवया संतोष बोरीत काळजान आनंद कोरया जेजू जल्मला नातालाची पोरबी तुमकां सगळ्याक हांव आवडटा भलायकी कुशालकाय काळजाचो संतोष मागता संतोष बोरीत काळजान आनंद कोरया जेजू जल्मला दुसऱ्याक आदार आमी दिवया जेजूची वाट चल्या हास्या तोंडान सगळे गोश्ट जेजूक भेटोया संतोष बोरीत काळजान आनंद कोरया जेजू जल्मला गोरवाच्या गोठ्यांत बालोक जाला राजाचो राजा आमकां मेळ्ळा कुशालकायची खबर सगळ्यांक दिवया Sontos porit kalsana non koria Jesus all mola Dusman kayami boys koria Ishta goti chempaola mi Maria Kushal kaichi kobor sognyang divya Sontos porit kalsana non koria Jesus all mola Sontos porit kalsana non koria Jesus all mola Sontos porit kalsana non koria Jesus all mola. Thank you.
Thank you, Rachel, for the beautiful carol. Ani तुझे कांतारांतले सोबीत उतरां आयकून आमचें काळीज संतोष बरीत आनंदान बोल्लें.
Okay, before we go into the next track, I have something. You had just asked a question to the public here. You had asked, what did the other reindeer do, not let Rudolph do because of his shiny red nose? And I think we just got one. How many answers? Let me see. Okay, let me give you the correct answer first. The correct answer was join in any reindeer games. Okay, I don't know how many of you got it correct, but I found a comment there. It says from Adrina Azevedo. Okay, Adrina Azevedo, you're from Kuwait, right? Okay, Adrina Azevedo from Kuwait has won the first question. So we will be talking about your gift in a little short while from now. But in the meantime, we also have some comments from people. There's a comment from Savio from California. And he says, do we have gifts for people from California also? Savio, I know you are such a wonderful singer. And well, I don't miss your shows. So you know how near is California when you get onto the YouTube. So yes, we do have gifts for people from California too. But those gifts would be, let me tell you that later, that thing too. Okay, and Adrina also is asking, she's in the flight, she says, right now. And any prices for people who are in the flight, because she can't tell her location right now. So any prices for people in the flight? Okay, if you can jump down the parachute, okay, then definitely, yes, I'm giving you the prize. Come over. Michelle says, Romeo, you have a really calm yet strong voice. Thank you, Michelle. And Valencia Reverado, she says, sounds good. Thank you very much for your comments. Keep the comments flowing. And over to you.
Congratulations to the winner of the first quiz. And moving further, we have a captivating song coming up next, reminding us that Christmas time is the time to remember about the birth of Jesus. Yes, we say, baby Jesus. We now have our rhythm king Walanka to sing a carol in our mother tongue. Natalache cantar, balok tu babulo.
Barok tu babulo Kaunyana nidela ogo Podyong tu kayeta Yeta lokitlo Ut tu वेगीन आता ऐकती मधुर गीता उठ तो बेगीन आता ऐकती मधुर गीता बाळक तू बाबुलो उठोन तो रडलो रडणे तुझे आयकोंक आसा लोक इतलो उठ तू बेगीन आता ऐकती मधुर गीता 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 मधुर गीता Thank you.
देव बरें करूं बाब वालेंत तुजें सोबीत कांतार आयकोन जीव दादोशी जालो आनीक तशेंच संवसाराच्या चारूय कोणशांनी जे आमचे व्ह्यूज हो शो पळयतात तांकां हें कांतार आवडलें म्हूण सोजमोता आनी तुमी तुमचे भोव वालोराचे कमेंट्स घालून आमचे कांतोरिस्तांक उमेदीत दवरतले म्हूण आशा बाळगिता. We now have the next question of our quiz. And the question is, what color was Santa's suit before he was rebranded red by Coca-Cola? I repeat, what color was Santa's suit before he was rebranded red by Coca-Cola? All the best. Christmas times are happy times, and this is a time when young and old get busy in their own ways in the preparation for the Christmas day. We now have our twinkle star Walanka with an specially composed Christmas song with a beautiful message for all of us. Let's welcome Walanka.
Christmas येवच्या दीस आमच्या तोकलेर पडटा बार तयारी करूंक आमकां kamastat szabad. Umidin puswat kurunk matuigay Natal. Magir Christmas ailom muntots kosheche disa. Christmas utoram kadados pondita. Christmas yok na pun adits urbayata. Kosle jeskeun chechitun tension zata. Kitle marog pasun zalyar jes amigeta. Christmas utoram kadados pondita. Christmas yok na pun adits urbayata. Kosle jeskeun chechitun tension zata. Kitle marog pasun zalyar jes amigeta. Christmasaच्या दिसांनी तुमगे सोयरी येतली. एकामेकाक विश करून गोपांत घेतली. क्रिसमसाचे गोड गोड खावो तांकां दितली. गोरिबांकूय तूं आदार दी तीवूय खुशाल जातली. क्रिसमसाच्या दिसांनी जोण एकलो निचोय कोर. जेजू काळजान घेवन कालीस तुजे साफ्तोर. जेजू बोक्षितलो ताज्या मोगाक जायना सोर. जेजू घरांत येवचो ना दुस्मानाक बोक्षिना तोर. क्रिसमसाच्या दिसांनी जोण एकलो निचोय कोर. जेजू काळजांत येवन कालीस तुजे साफ्तोर. जेजू बोक्षितलो मोगाक ताच्या जायना सोर. जेजू घरांत येवचो ना दुस्मानाक बोक्षिना तोर. जेजू सांगलेले आमी सांगणे पाडुया. दुस्मान काय आसा जाल्यार काळजांतली भायर काडुया. दुसऱ्याचे वायट करपाचे आमी सोडुया. क्रिसमसाच्या दिसांनी जेजू काळजान हाडुया. मेरी क्रिसमस म्हणून विश कोत्ता आमी कुवेतान. वो प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केला रोमियो आनी ग्रुपान. दुस्मानाक बेगीन घेवया जेजूच्या रुपान. मेरी क्रिसमस म्हूण विश करूया येवून तांकां गोपान. मेरी क्रिसमस म्हणून विश कोत्ता आमी कुवेतान. वो प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केला रोमियो आनी ग्रुपान. दुस्मानाक बेगीन घेवया जेजूच्या रुपान. मेरी क्रिसमस म्हणून विश करूया घेवून तांकां गोपान.
Thank you, Walanka, for that beautiful message that Christmas times are not only times for preparation of worldly things, but to prepare ourselves spiritually too, forgive and to forget, and to stay away from evil thoughts. And yes, let's welcome Jesus into our hearts.
Well, I'm back once again, and you know why I'm back this time?
Welcome back.
I'm back because There is this guy, Dennis. Okay. He has put in a message, and I think you had asked him a question. What was the question that was asked? What color?
What color was Santa's coat
Okay,
before he
now-
was rebranded red?
Now, this guy, Dennis, is a very smart guy. He's given us a choice, and we need to tick mark which is the correct one. Dennis,
Oh, wow.
Dennis, that's not possible. He has given me 4 answers, and he said one of these.
Choose the correct one.
No, Dennis, that's not allowed. Okay, now we are getting back to our viewers on Facebook, and we have got around 10 viewers, just 10 viewers on the Facebook, and I can't believe this. I don't know why, because on YouTube we are crossing around 70, 75. Okay, that was the last that I saw. 75 people on YouTube and just 10 people here, and I don't believe it. Okay, keep tagging your friends, guys. Keep tagging people. And we have Braz Rodrigues saying hello to us. Hey, Braz. Hey, nice to see you on the show. And we have Janet and also saying hi to us. Then there is Del Braga. Okay, she says amazing performance by Rachel. Thank you very much. Well, you guys need to really boost up the confidence of these new singers here, because they have been really practicing very hard for this show, and this is their first performance on a live screen, something like this. So please, yes, do boost them up. And we've got somebody from UK, and okay, that's Placido Fernandes. He says white from UK. That's the wrong answer, right? Wait, don't give the right answer. It's a wrong answer. Okay, guys. Placido, that's
Let's
the wrong
wait for
answer.
the time to hear the new correct
Okay.
answer.
Dennis has given us one more. He said shades of green, tan, and blue. Again, he's giving us a choice. You see that? Smart guy.
Hey, Dennis, we love your spirit of giving us options.
Okay, and Victor Sanfons is watching us. Okay, thank you, Victor. Romeo, it's green. Okay, Dennis says Romeo, it's green. Okay, Augusto Rodrigues from California, again watching us. Thank you, Augusto, for being on this show. Just 17 people on the show. Let's tag in some more friends. Let's tag in some more people and get this show running, because there's lots and lots of music coming your way. And there are some more gifts coming your way, right? Some more quiz?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so let's hold
We
that
have
for
a
a while.
basket full of gifts for all the
because
viewers.
hold that for a while, because we are giving out one quiz on Facebook, and the other one is on YouTube. So we don't know. We are the judges. We are going to judge from where you comment. So try to comment on both the sides if you can. Otherwise, keep tagging friends. What's next? What do we have next?
Well, Romeo, we have our next performance now, and it's going to be an amazing one. So
Another solo?
no, now we're having a duet.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes,
that's amazing.
Romeo. So please get ready to watch the newly twin couple.
Whoa.
And yes, Christmas time means we remember about gifts and sweets. And there cannot be anything better than receiving these gifts from Santa. Oh, yes, we all love you, Santa Claus. But sorry, Romeo, we don't have Santa Claus coming to the show. But we have the beautiful couple, Ashwin and Cynthia, coming up stage to sing the carol, Santa Claus is coming to town. But they're going to sing this in our Maimba's Konkani.
Guys,
Let's welcome them.
support them.
Tojarin raw, Roranaka, Vermel namon Shinonaka, Santa Claus या शारांत येता नावांबरोन तो तपासता कोण बरो आनी कोण मस्ती करता Santa Claus या शारांत येता
To pójna tu kiedna nika, to sana tu kiedna uta, kon bora kon whiteboard kota,
Dikun bori rawat Santa Du toyarin raw
roro naka,
Virmelk namun shino naka Santa Claus ya sharan tieta La 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 Porfa, munis, por soltos carzato Donat pai pani na carbuta ani corshador yanto Porfa, munis, muntat lokarientlo To porfa, kun burgin sana Ek dis jiwa zala koso Licenza et asletai Ya silkace topi Diciak tokler topi dortos Donat sokla glokoshi Porfa, munis, koren sivo aslo Ani burgin sango to ason keron Ante basen jietano Thank you.
अरे वाह शाबास Ashwin and Cynthia तुमचे एकांतर आयकून म्हाका सारकोच नाचपाचो बार कसो आयलो कितें रे बाबा तुमचें एकांतर सारकेंच रॉकिंग आनी दिसता म्हाका आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सांकूय नाचोन दिसलें आसतलें म्हूण आनी खरेंच तुमकां नाचोन दिसलें जाल्यार तुमच्या कमेंट्सा वेल्यान आमकां गमोवन दिवचें देव बरें करूं And to those of you who are taking part in the quiz, here we have question number 3. And it is, what words follow Silent Night in this song? This is a very easy one. I'm sure all of you are going to just say this answer in a jiffy. Anyways, I'll read the question once again. What words follow Silent Night in the song? Thank you. आमी गोंयकार पोटाक लागून जायते जाण गोंय भायर रावून सर्वीस कोत्ता आनीक थोडे बिझनसूय सांबाळटात पूण दर गोंयकार आपलो जल्म गांव गोंया कसोच विसरना भोव करून फेस्ता परबा दिसांनी तो वो तें आशेता हे दीस मौचेन आपले फॅमिली सांगाता गोंया सारूंक अशेंच थोडे आवडे घेवन येता आमचो फुडलो कांतोरिस्ट बाब आर्मांदो आनीक ताचें गिताचें नांव गोंयचो क्रिसमस आनी न्यू इयर लेट्स वेलकम Armando.
ओशन बोरोन गोंया रावोन परदेसान आसलेल्यांचो उगडास कोत्ता हांव क्रिसमस पावलो न्यू इयर आयलो गोंयचो उगडास तुमच्या मोनान बोत्ता हांव खंयसरूय पाव पूण फेलीस जाव बालकाची जुची बेसांवां मागता हांव बऱ्या मोनान उदार काळजान कांतारांतल्यान मोग मोयपास पाठयता हांव क्रिसमस न्यू इयर तुमी थंयसर मनयतेले गोंयकार एकठांय जावन वेळ मोजेन जातले एकामेकाक तुमी वेंगेन धरून किस दितेले इल्लो गोरचो उगडास करून दोळ्यान दुकां बोतले ओशन बोरोन गोंया रावोन परदेसान आसलेल्यांचो उगडास कोत्ता हांव क्रिसमस पावलो न्यू इयर आयलो गोंयचो उगडास तुमच्या मोनान बोत्ता हांव खंयसरूय पाव पूण फेलीस जाव बालकाची जुची बेसांवां मागता हांव बऱ्या मोनान उदार काळजान कांतारांतल्यान मोग मोयपास पाठयता हांव दादले बायलो चेडे चेडवां पोटाक लागोन पळय पावलीं परदेसान आवय बापूय भुरगीं बाळां गोंयचो उगडास कोत्ता त्या हातेरान फेस्तां कोत्ता परबो मनयता सगलें कोत्ता तीं गोंयच्या मोगान ओ गोंयकारा नीज गोंयकारा बेगीन यो रे तूं गोंयच्या शारान गोंयांत फामील तुमचो जायतो उगडास कोत्ता गोंयांत आसल्यार बरें जावपाचें म्हणटा कारण जाणटी आसा तितली तुमकां पळोवंक आशेता तुमचो उगडास येतोच हातान फोटू दवरून पोशेता मेरी क्रिसमस हॅपी न्यू इयर अशें म्हणून आमी उगडास कोत्ता तुमचो तुमी थंयसर आमी हांगासर तुमकां हुस्को आसा गोंयकारांचो कितेंय विसरत उगडास वचत उगडास वेचो ना गोंयचे शीतकोडयेचो दिसेकास न्योऱ्याचो वास केरी दोबाजो नातालांचो Thank you.
देव बरें करूं बाबा अरमांद जायते सोत आसा तुज्या वजनादीक कांतारान आनी हें कांतार आयकोन म्हाकाय गोंया मारून वसोंक दिसलें धांव My dear viewers, I'm sure you too like this song. And yes, don't forget to send your likes and comments. It means a lot to us. And once again, thank you for taking the precious time to watch our show. Coming up next, we have a melodious carol. Any guesses? My dear viewers, can anyone guess the name of our next carol? Okay, let me announce. Let me announce the name of the carol. It's Mistletoe and Wine, two elements which truly bring out the spirit of Christmas. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome Bella Luz, our vocalist and dancer Natasha, to rock the stage and set it on fire with her harmonic voice.
The child is a king, the carolers sing. The old has passed, there's a new beginning. Dreams of Santa, dreams of snow. Fingers numb, faces aglow. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christian rhymes. Logs on the fire, gifts on the tree. A time to rejoice in the good that we see. A time for living, a time for believing, a time for trusting, not deceiving. Love and laughter and joy ever after. Ask for the taking, just follow the master. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christian rhymes. With logs on the fire, gifts on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Silent night, holy night. A time for giving, a time for the getting. Time for forgiving and forgetting. Christmas is love, Christmas is peace. Time for hating and fighting to cease. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christian rhymes. With logs on the fire, gifts on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christian rhymes. With logs on the fire, gifts on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christian rhymes. With logs on the fire and gifts on the tree. Time to rejoice in the good that we see. Christmas time, mistletoe and wine. Children singing Christian rhymes. With logs on the fire, gifts on the tree. A time to rejoice in the good that we see. Thank you.
Check, test. Check. Well, that was Natasha singing for us that beautiful song, Mistletoe, And what was it, Natasha? What was the name of the song?
Mistletoe and wine.
You know why I'm asking you?
Why?
Because I'm drunk with the wine. I don't know. I forgot the wine because I finished the wine and there's only mistletoe left. Well, there are so many comments from there are lots and lots of comments come on this on YouTube for you, especially for you,
That's great.
and a lot of viewers. They said it's a good job. If you just browse through the YouTube, you'll find some more comments there. Well, in the meantime, we've got some answers. The technical team is still working on some answers. Oh yeah, they got it. Yeah, thanks. Okay, it's time to give you some answers. Well, it's Dion. Yeah, it's Dion Gonsalves 7804. He says Holy Night, and that answer was from Kuwait. Am I audible? Okay. And we got Neville Fernandes 9J13. Again, giving the right answer. He says Holy Night. He's calling. He's a viewer from Mumbai. Hey Neville, nice to see you, Neville. I just saw your name. Okay, and for the second question, we had Pearl Cardoz 6067 from Kuwait. Okay, she gave in the correct answer, and there was also Jennifer Fernandes from Goa, who gave us the correct answer for the second quiz. Well, Jennifer Fernandes, your name would be displayed. Oh, Jennifer Fernandes, my sister. Sorry. Hey, hi. Hi there. Okay. So those are the answers that we have received. So thank you very much, and we will be announcing the gifts towards the end. But let me just tell you for the Kuwait guys, for the guys in Kuwait, it's been hidden inside this. Okay. It's a nice, cute bag. I will open it during the interval, during the break. I'm going to open it and show it to you. But in the meantime, let me keep it back where it was. And that's right. We'll see you. We'll see that thing during the break. But now, I know you. I've seen some comments, and they said, "Romeo, when are you singing again?" So let's do one song. You guys, the technical team, you have this song. I can't recollect this song. It was, by Wham or George Michael, I think so. And it was called Last Christmas. Do you have that track with you? You do? Okay. Let's do this track for them then. Let's go. Whoa. Beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. My lover and mine in a heart, I give my lover to catch her apart. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been years, then you surprised me. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. That's you. A crowded room filled with bright eyes. I'm hiding from you, and you're so of eyes. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I need a shoulder to cry on. A face on a lover with a fire in his heart. A man undercover, but you tore me apart. Ooh, now that I dream, what a fool I've been. Gonna miss me now when I will fool you again. Sing, last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year I'm saving from tears. I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Ooh. I'll give it to someone special. Whoa! Thank you very much. Thank you for those lovely comments that are coming on both on Facebook as well as on YouTube. Well, we are going to take a break now, and I don't know what we are going to do during the breaks, but I think Tessie, can you come over? Let's see what Tessie has got. Tessie's
Hey, Romeo.
a bag full
That
of
was
surprises.
an awesome song from you, and I know most of the viewers were waiting to hear your harmonic voice, and for sure they are satisfied now. And don't worry, dear friends, he will be back with more for the second half.
So thank you very much. What do you want to do now?
Well,
We'll take a break for a little while, but then what do you do
yes,
during the
just
break?
during the short break, I feel that we should introduce our new faces, our new singers to the viewers. And that was the main motto of the show, right?
That's right. That's right. We wanted to introduce new faces to this program, and that's the reason we got all the singers are brand new, have never performed in any of the live concerts before, and this is the first time they're ever performing on a live stage, and that also live from Kuwait. And under the seamless whatever you call that, as streaming of EchoStream. So EchoStream Productions are
Oh,
really doing a
yes.
good job.
Thank you so much, Elton and Scott. You've been amazing, and it has been a flawless screening. Thank you so much. You guys are behind the scene, but you all are the heart and the soul of this program. And yes, our coordinator, Victor, how can we forget you?
That's right, Victor. He's been pushing people out. You know, he's
Well, Romeo,
not allowing us to rest at all.
what I'm thinking is
Yeah.
that let's call our singers on stage once more and give a little bit of more introduction, or rather, they will introduce themselves to the
Okay,
viewers.
I think that's a good idea. I'll take a break. You interview the
Sure.
singers, okay? So let me take a break now. You carry
Yes,
on.
thank you so much, Romeo. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying the show, and singers have really given their best, and your comments will give them more motivation. So please keep commenting, please send your likes. And here we are going to introduce you all to them once again. Well, before that, as Romeo had said earlier, today we begin the Advent in all the parishes in Kuwait. And it was Romeo's heart's desire to screen this show on the first day of Lent. And yes, God has fulfilled his dream, and here we are. Thank you so much. May I call upon Natasha to just for a small interview, not an interview, just a couple of questions, so our viewers know you better.
Hi, Tassie.
Hi, welcome to the show, Natasha.
Thank you so much.
You've been amazing for the first carol.
Thank you, Tassie.
Well, Miss Natasha, who inspired you to be a singer?
Well, that for me would definitely be my parents.
Wow, they're
Yeah.
singers as well.
They are. They are. To be honest, mom and dad are. They sing in various choirs even till now, till date. And dad plays the guitar. My brothers play the guitar. They sing. My kids play the guitar. They sing now.
Oh, wow, she comes from a singer's family.
Yeah.
That's
So
awesome.
Music has always had a very special connection in my life.
Okay.
You know, I've always been connected to music all throughout, ever since I was a little girl. But most of the inspiration came from my parents, my mom and dad.
That's good to know that music is in your chins. Okay, the next question is, which song make you fall in love with singing?
Well, that's a no-brainer, actually, Tassie. You took me back.
I'm sure you have an answer for this as well.
Yeah, definitely. You take me back to a very fond memory as a little girl. It's a very father-daughter moment for me.
Okay.
Where I remember my dad, when I was a little girl, would teach me to sing Ke Sera Sera. So that would be the song.
That's everyone's favorite.
Yeah. And then when he'd play the guitar, he'd be my best cheerleader and watch me in awe and pride as I sang the song. Yeah. So these are the little memories that you carry along with you, Tassie, to be honest, and they make you who you are today. You carry these memories with you all along. Yeah.
Very well said. And I'm sure your parents are watching the show and they
Well,
must be feeling so proud of you. Thank you so much, Natasha.
Thank you, Tassie. Thank you. Thank
And
you so
we
much.
wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you for having me over.
We next have Valente. Valente, can I please have you here?
Hi, Tessie. Kosha.
Hi, Valente, welcome to the show once again. हांव तुजे लागीं आमचे माय भाशेन क्वेश्चन करूंक सोदतां.
Sure, Tessie. कित्याक न्हू?
हांव जाणां तुका कोंकणी कांतारां करपाची खूब उमेद आसा. तुवें जायतीं कोंकणी कावर सॉंग्स गायलेलीं हांवें आयकल्यांत. तो तुजो कोंकणी गावपाचो मोग कसो उपरासलो? आनी कोण तुजो रोल मॉडेल तें तूं आमकां सांगशी?
पयले सुवातेर हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदतां कांतारां गावपाचो म्हाका भुरगेपणासान उमेद आसलेली.
ओके.
आनीक हांव ल्हान आसतना इस्कॉलान हांवें कोंकणी कांतार म्हणलेले नुस्त्याचेर.
वाव,
आनीक
नुस्तेकार.
ना आनीक ते सोमदिरान काजार सोमदिरान समथींग अशें कितें नांव आसलेलें तेजें. आनीक आय हॅव वॉन अ फर्स्ट प्रायज दॅट टायम.
Oh, how?
एन्ड दॅट टायम आय वॉज म्हाका दिसता हांव 5th स्टँडर्डाक आहलो तेन्ना.
I can imagine your happiness at that time
हय.
to be a
आनीक
winner.
तेच्या उपरांत हांव सुपरस्टार झुजे रोडाची कांतारां आयकतालो. आनीक तेजी कांतारां मनाक लागतात आनीक तुका एक उर्बा दिता तें कांतार म्हणोंक. सो म्हजो रोल आयडल एन्ड माय आयडल इज सुपरस्टार झुजे रोड.
Okay, आनीक सांगचें म्हटल्यार झुजे रॉड इज माय फेवरेट सिंगर ऑल्सो वालेंट.
वाव, तो सगळ्यांचोच फेवरेट.
ओके, म्हजो दुसरो प्रश्न. बाब वालेंट, कोंकणी भाशेन गावपाचो तुजो वावर खंयसर आनी कसो सुरू जालो तें आमकां सांगशी?
एक्चुली सारकें सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार कोंकणी कांतारां म्हणपाचो वावर हांवें कुवेटाक चालू केल्लो. 2020 म्हजो एक फ्रेंड आसलो म्हज्या वांगडा काम करतालो, म्हजो कोलीग तो, तेचें नांव लॉयड. तेणें म्हाका एक म्युजीक करून दिल्लें झुजे रोडाचें. त्या सॉंगाचें नांव जावन आसलें कित्याक जायत. एन्ड ती एक होरी काणी घोडलेली कुवेटाक. आनी तेणें म्हाका म्हणपाक लागलो, वालेन बाब चल रे तुका आपण म्युजीक करून दिता, कर कांतार, घाल युट्यूबार, पळोवया कितें जाता तें. सो तेणें म्हाका एक उमेद दिली करपाक अहें.
Oh, I see. एकदम बरें
सो
दिसलें.
बेसिकली लायक सारकें सांगचें म्हटल्यार कांतारां म्हणपाची उमेद म्हाका कुवेटच्या शहरांतल्यान जाल्या.
चड बरें दिसलें वालेंत तुजीं उतरां आयकून आनी
म्हाकाय बी चड
आमी
खोशी
तुका बरें हे सांवड येता आनी
देव बरें
तुवें
कर.
जायतीं कांतारां गावचीं आनी आमकां दिवेटेमेंट दिवचो.
शुअर, देव बरें करूं तें.
तुकाय देव बरें
देव
करूं.
बरें करूं.
Dear viewers, we are going to take a very short break. We'll be right back. We next have Rachel. Miss Rachel, can you please have you here? Hi, Rachel. Welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you.
Well, Rachel, I've seen small clippings and short videos of yours on social media. And yes, it's also good to see you singing in the HFC church choir. This clearly shows your passion for singing. So, Rachel, could you please tell our viewers how you felt during the first part of the show?
So, the first thing is that I'm really grateful, and this is my first live performance. And to see all of the singers sing, it's really nice as well.
That's good to hear. Okay, Rachel, my next question is, how do you encounter stage fear or performance pressure?
Yeah, so that is there only, like before you
Yeah, of
perform,
course,
that's
yeah.
there. So, I feel like you need to practice and you need to be confident that you can do it and you shall do it.
That's the spirit, Rachel, and
Yes.
I wish you all the best. And thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you so much.
And now we have our twinkle star Valanka. Twinkle star, can I please have you here?
Hi. Hello.
Hi Valanka, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So everyone is so happy about your first song that you sang, and of course she's going to be back with more in the next half. While I just ask her one question, and that question is, Valanka, as a student, can you tell us how you can manage your time? I mean, focusing on your studies and simultaneously you prepare for stage performances and church events. How does all this go with you?
It is tough, but I try to
I
manage.
can understand.
Yeah. I like performing on stage, on Konkani stage, and church programs. I really love to serve the Lord.
Okay.
So, and it also helps me learn. It teaches me a lot of stuff, new things. And studies, I have to manage it. So I have to manage. So I mean, I try to manage. I try my best.
That's excellent. Yes, it's really hard work that counts, and your hard work has really paid you well, Valanka.
Thank you.
And I really congratulate your parents also, because they've been so supporting. I'm seeing
Yeah.
them for any show.
Yes.
They are like a backbone to you.
Yes.
And may God bless you.
Thank
But don't go away. I have another question for you.
Okay.
Twinkle Star entitled तुका कोंकणी माचेर फावो जालें सारकें?
वय कोंकणी माचेर.
ओके, बरें आसा. तर ओ एवो तुका फावो जालो ते दिसाचो अणभव आमकां सांगशी?
जेन्ना म्हाका अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळो तो म्हाका एक्चुली आय डिडंट नो एनीथींग बट इट वॉज व्हेरी शॉकिंग एंड त्या दिसा कॉमिडियन सुकोरोच्या तियात्राक रायट वो रॉंग आनी FC सांडेले शेल्यू एंटरटेनर्सान
ओके, हो शो UK सान आयलोलो न्हय?
वय UK सान आयलो आनी तेणीन म्हाका टायटल दिला ट्विंकल स्टार आनी फादर नेल्सन लोबो हेणेन म्हाका फेलिसिटेट केला.
Okay, chorus to a twinkle star and keep twinkling and keep shining. I wish you all the best, Valanka.
Thank you. Thank you.
We now have Mr. Armando Fernandes.
It is he.
Hi, Armando. Welcome to the show once
Thank
again.
you. Thank you.
You've been awesome in your first song,
Thank you
and
so much.
I just can't wait for the second half to hear you sing again. Well, I have a very simple question for you. So our viewers also, I think for sure they would like to know about it. So do you remember the first song you performed publicly?
Yes, 3 years ago I performed. I sang for my parents' golden anniversary.
Okay.
There was a toast song. That was
Okay.
my first public song.
Okay. It's very good that your first song was a dedication to your dear parents.
Yes.
God bless them.
Thank you.
Armando, you have such an amazing voice. As I just said, Please, can you tell our viewers about your future plans? I mean, on singing.
Actually, it's a God's gift for me. I can say I'm blessed. And definitely, if I get a chance, opportunity, I will definitely sing. Surely.
That's awesome. That's good to know that you have a desire to sing more and more. And we wish you all the best and
you.
hope to see you on more shows in the future.
Thank you, Tase.
Thank you so much,
Thank you, thank
Armando. And now we have our newly tuned couple, Ashwin and Cynthia. Can I please have you here on stage? Hey, Ashwin and Cynthia, it's so good to see you all color coordinated and you guys look awesome. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Tessie.
Well, I have watched your video. I mean, the dedication song that you all sang for your son's first birthday. It was an amazing video, and everybody at the party we enjoyed. And later on YouTube also, I saw a lot of people have complimented you all for that song, and really it was worth it, you know. And we would just like to know if there is any future production or any new projects coming up from the two of you.
Well, thank you so much. And that birthday song was something very close to our hearts.
Obviously.
Yeah. And we are truly grateful for all the love that we received for our first very song together. And the exciting part is, yes, we are already working on our second music project.
Wow.
Yeah, which we hope to
So
release
when is it coming up?
in 2026.
Okay, you mean in the new year.
Yeah.
So new year is just a month away. So
Yes.
keep watching and keep
Stay
waiting.
tuned.
Stay tuned for their
and
new
keep showing
song.
your love.
By the way, it's written by Cynthia itself.
Oh, that's awesome. I didn't know that she is a songwriter. I knew she could sing, but if she can write a song, then it's really, really awesome.
Yeah, so keep showing your love and you'll definitely see more from us. Thank you.
My next question is for Ashwin.
Okay.
Well, Ashwin, you are a musician and singer. So what message would you like to give the youth who aspire to be singers or musicians?
Oh, well, that's an interesting one. To be honest, it's all about practice. Okay, so you have to practice, practice, and practice. That's the only way you can master becoming a musician or a singer. For
Okay.
singers, you have to like sing,
That's
and
true.
for musicians, you have to keep practicing. And also the second thing I would give an advice to all the singers, or like, do not try to copy others. Okay, be your original one.
Yeah,
Also,
that's
like, you know,
very
nowadays,
important. Yeah,
so
that's
now
very
AI is
important.
also coming, and it's trying to copy everyone. So why not be humans and try to be us, you know?
Thank you so much for your advice to the new generation. And I wish both
Yeah,
of you
thank
all
you.
the best.
Thank you so much, Jesse.
Well, Romeo, the director of today's show, can we have you once again here? Hey, Romeo, everyone is just waiting for you.
Hey, I'm back once again, and this time I brought something more.
Oh, yeah, you
Hmm.
look like a school teacher with this clipboard and all.
Yeah, I know. These guys are
So
really
what's in there?
really putting in so much of comments. See this Savio Rodrigues.
What does he say?
He's asking me if I'm eating patties and chow during the break.
No,
Now,
we are having popcorn.
We haven't taken such a big break. Yeah, through. We haven't taken. What's
Oh,
this?
there's a gift coming up to you from Natasha.
Oh, Thanks, Natasha.
That's really a sweet gesture, Natasha. And he looks so amazing in that Christmas
Really?
outfit.
Thanks a lot. Okay, what do we do next? We just I was just listening to all those interviews, and really they have so much in them. And I
Yeah,
wish,
of course, there's so much fire in them, you know.
yeah, and I wish they could be
it
more
has-
present on the stage.
Yeah, and of course, we're going to see them in the next round as well.
Okay, is there
So,
another round?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let me take a song then. Before that,
All right. So,
what do I do? Konkani. Huh?
anything,
And it's in
your
Konkani, right?
choice. You are the director. You are the boss of the show.
Okay.
So, and all the viewers and all your.
I know this song called about Goya. No, let's do Goinchi Koyenta. You have that, Elton? You have this track, Goinchi Koyenta?
Goinchi koentan track
Yeah.
asa jare matche play korche.
Because I know this is something nice.
Yeah, even I would love to hear about Goinchi koentan.
You have it? Okay.
Yeah.
He has it.
So,
Thank you.
come on, Romeo.
Yeah, I'll take over.
Okay, sure.
Sorbondingor modenduria sarani ne toilele Soglia sonsara gasta nauta chetena zagna liplele Roma udete ce sobi nauta ka atliani gatlele Ida goa sharde kunte govedani bollele Kitle subit sharde goice shitor matawaro Kiedy 올린 가라디 adli moron zalian tsuro Bailolo pautorgoya subit gau munta poro Dado shizam tanka goeche torets goet puro Pordesan Watson muine hamka tu zaina pure bara Sogle goi kar chintao ami Watson yung gaundara Tuja sobi higojo kawet puron Potbota guashara Ida kolyo seminari sali gawani raidura Kitlyo sobit higojo goyan Dista mogreche kole Kitlyo un sotorityo aka Poron otadore Padag nelache misawacha garan Pilar rauta te pore Bagi won pantuze waza tsokuen sakware Thank you guys for the track. Wolल्या गोंया तुम्ही देखल्या इगोची सांत कायतानाची तोशीच ती गोरसी आमच्या आसा ती सांत फ्रांसीस सासिसाची मातशें चलशे फुडें मावता तेन्ना सांत मोनिकाची ताका तेंकोन उबी आसा ती तोर सांत आगोस्तिनाची निमणो तुमी पयला जातलो कोवेन बोन जेसूचो तुय देवान हाडून दोला मुणयारी हाबळाचो तुज्या आशेन काशेन आसा ते बिरादार सोगल्यांचो तोचो सान फ्रांसीस पात्रोन आख्खे इंडियेचो. Thank you very much. Thank you. Tase, come back. Let's see what we have.
Dio baren koro Romeo. Dio baren koro Romeo. And now it's time for the next quiz question. And this one seems to be a little bit romantic. So, what is it? What is it? It's like this. The Christmas song. Who does the narrator see kissing Santa Claus under the mistletoe? I repeat. In the Christmas song, who does the narrator see kissing Santa Claus under the mistletoe? Come on, guys, hurry up with your answer and get a chance to win a prize. मोग हे उतर आमकां सगल्यांक मोलाचें. वेगवेगळे तरेचो मोग आमी ह्या संवसारांत अणभवतात आनी कांय जाण मोगाक आशेतात. Belarus Natasha is all set backstage, anxiously waiting to rock on with the most acclaimed Goan song, Tuzo Mog, Yoka Dunya by Natasha.
Galis kushen boron tu astona Gajek na kamaka tu nastona Bapoy mo dyan raw ang sana tomo Tuzo mo, oy tomo Tuzo mo, Corina stona Apoi Macau rocriție de lihi Sangre maca tuge și trauteli Magne e calis pocotugat viteli Viso și au țordu che stateli Rao yeta konak poina stona Dole bon korunu grina stona Bapoi mojan raong sana tomo Tu somo Boy tomo Tu somo Corina stona Apoi Macau rocriție te lihi Sangre maca tuce și țrau te li Magne e cali sfocotucat diteli Visor și au țor duchești stateli Rao yeta kona poina stona Dole pon korunu grina stona Vapoi mojan rawang sana tomo Tu somo Oi tomo Tu somo Corina stona Thank you.
Dear Boring Korum by Natasha. We now have a romantic duet coming up by a freshly twin couple, Ashwin and Cynthia. The title of their song is, I think, instead of saying the title of the song, I'll give you a clue. It's Zonel Arboson Wat Poita Tuji. Tumka Gomle Astelenoi, E Puiche Kadar Poite? Oi. Adli Mugia Zonel Arboson Eka Mekachi Wat Poitale. Let's welcome this couple with lots of smiles.
रूपने तुझे नियालता ते काळजान मोज्या रिगला आजा यो वेगी तू काचा शेता
Sauri tuji disona Uyasai mun sos mona Lori point Duga siba goisa
Hey रूपने तुझे नियालता ते काळजान मोज्या रिगला आजा यो वेगी तू काचा शेता
Sauri tuji disona Uyasai mun sos mona Lori point Duga siba goisa
How tuzo tu moche moro poria Tu capoi na cala gona puta
Sorgina che de vodle ailar tufan Lorio, durun gopan
How tuzo tu moche moro poria Tu capoi macala gona puta
Sorgina che de vodle ailar tufan Lorio, durun gopan
Mogan tuja hao porla Kalis kalzak pintoila Mon moche tuja mogan tisol तुझ्या हांव पडला कालीस काळजाक पेटयला मन मोचे तुझ्या मोगान पिसवला
हांवूय पिशी जावन धांवता तुझ्या मोगाक काशेतां दिवतर तुजी सांगात जाता
Zonelak boston वाट पळयता तुजी सांगेतना उतराची गालया मुदी
दुराचा हांव राणी सोबीत ती जोडी लोरियो कोरगा दोशी
Zonelak boston वाट पळयता तुजी सांगेतना उतराची गालया मुदी
दुराचा हांव राणी सोबीत ती जोडी लोरियो कोरगा दोशी लोरियो कोरगा दोशी देव बरें करूं
Thank you.
Well. I'm back on I couldn't resist when I saw these people singing. I couldn't resist, but come here to thank them. Really wonderful song, and wow, the way they were looking into each other's eyes and putting in their actions, and wow, it was just superb, beautiful chemistry among the two of them. And the lyrics of the song, oh, so impressive, like as usual. Okay, आयचे कार्यावळ फुडें व्हरचे आदीं let me just run through some of the top fans on we have got some top fans who have been commenting since the start of the show, and they are in this order. The first one happens to be Norman Narona from Kuwait. Then we have, in second place, we have Philip John. Hey, Philip John, that's nice. Then we have TR Joe's Barreto 7. I think it's something like that. Okay, so that's on the third place. And we've got Joseph, Wendy, Dennis, Sherlyn, Fatima, and wow, a lot of people. And we've also got some comments for the people who have not on the screen. Oh, that's strange. There's people not on the screen. They have also some comments for them. And there's one comment coming from Wendy, and she says, "I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, my son." So wow, that goes to Elton and his team. And for those of you who haven't put on the smileys for claps, just put them now, because we are waiting for those claps for those wonderful people. Elton and Scott have been doing really around, doing a lot of hard work. And I know Elton has been calling me till 2 o'clock in the morning. And he expects me to stay awake. I don't know how. And he's done it. And he was there even till last night, till 2 o'clock in the morning. So good job, guys. And we have also other people who are doing a lot of stationery work and things like that. We have Ashwin Mendes, who is really doing a lot of hard work behind the scenes, which nobody can see. So he's also doing it. Thank you, Ashwin, for your hard work that you have been doing right behind the scenes. And if you see him, he's sitting in between wires. So don't ask why, but he's sitting in between wires. There's one wire almost around his neck, but then let's forget that. So, but we have Tessie. Can you come over? Who do we have next?
Well, Romeo, really, our guys who are working back of the scenes are doing a very good job, and it's because of them this flawless stream is going on.
That's right. That's absolutely right.
That's right. Yeah.
Who's next?
Next.
आयची कार्यावळ फुडें व्हरोंक कोण?
आयची कार्यावळ फुडें व्हरोंक कोण येता तो जाणा तूं? आमचे फुडली कार्यावळ कोडीचें गीत घेवन येता आमचो रिदम किंग.
Oh, Valente? Yeah, that's right,
Oy,
Valente.
That's
Okay.
right, Valente. आणि गीताचे नाव देवान दिले देवचारान वेले. Welcome, Valente.
Donde संसारान चिंतून पळय फाल्यां कितें जातलें नोकय मरण म्हणचें सोंपण मारून येता सोंपय बरें कर तूं संवसाराक दाखय देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें बरें आयकोंक देवान दिल्यात कान कांयच उणें जायना चोल्ल्यार जावन ल्हान मागता कितलें तुका दिलां जोरूय देवा दिनाकाय जिवीत देंवसाराच्या हातान देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें गरजेन तूं देवाक भेट दिताय देवाचो भक्ती म्हणून दाखयताय व्हड्यो तुज्यान जायना दुसऱ्याची खुशालकाय मनान आसा देखून नीट दुखाय देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेलें देवान दिलें देवचारान वेले देवान दिले देवचारान वेले देव बरें करूं
देव बरें करूं बाब वालेंत तुजे वजनात एक आवाजान तुवें हें कांतार करून जायत्या जाणांची काळजां जिखलीं हातूंत दुबावूच ना आनीक एक बरी मॅसेजूय तुवें पाठयली आमी तुका कांताराच्या मोळार खूब बरो फुडार रावूं येता And we now have the last question of this quiz. Are you ready? And question number 5 goes like this. What gift did the little drummer boy give to the newborn Christ? I repeat, what gift did the little drummer boy give to the newborn Christ? All the best. Friends, we are live from Kuwait and feeling so awesome to see so many viewers online watching our show. Thank you so much for your love and support. Well, now we have our next singer with a song based on life in Kuwait. And the singer is, yes, it's our twinkle star once again, Walanka, presenting her song titled Chandrar. So let's hear it from Valanka.
Walanka, ao teatro natsa, maka Konkani shikong dara mama babuta, kanchesa daran hao, wicha palkar polzonta, palka chansti tolyang galzanta nautin masta, tolom Kuwait zala, wasobit Kuwait gaon. Kuwait संसाराक फामाद ताका व्हडले आसा नांव दिल्ली पब्लीक इस्कॉलान म्हजें शिकोवप कोता हांव कातरां पालकारां म्हणटेली फुडें कितें जाता तें जावं चलोम कुवेत जाला वो सोबीत कुवेत गांव कुवेत संसाराक फामाद ताका व्हडले आसा नांव दिल्ली पब्लीक इस्कॉलान म्हजें शिकोवप कोता हांव कातरां पालकारां म्हणटेली फुडें कितें जाता तें जावं आदी गोंयकार कुवेत बॉम्बेतान येताले बोटीन 22 दीस काडी खंय नासतना कसले दास्तीन शिवेक पोटार पावतोच ते बरो उमेदीन ही सोगली कबोल सांगलेली मजा आयडा आंटीन आदी सारा जारा जेवण मेवो लुसी आंटीचे Ambotik sorak लोणचे रेचात बांगडे कोस्ताचे कोप मातेल्यांक पासून मेवो इल्ले कोपाचे वास येता जाल्यार तोंडांत वेलची घालून वचपाचे आदी सारा जारा जेवण मेवो लुसी आंटीचे आंबोटीक सोराक लोणचे रेचात बांगडे कोस्ताचे कोप मातेल्यांक पासून मेवो इल्ले कोपाचे वास येता जाल्यार तोंडांत वेलची घालून वचपाचे flight the Bolim airport at how to chuak zai bright like piwok me wotore deu me din zai tight goya pauche adi magi zai good night flight bonzaleli ekovida timer चालू करून बंद केले आमची तोखी झाली विरार आता आयको येता क्विटर विसाता तोयान लंडन क्विकर बागापूर गोया एअरपोर्टार फ्लाईट बंद जालेली ते कोविडा टायमान चालू करून बंद केले आमची तोखली झाली विरार आता आयको येता क्विटर विसाता तोयान लंडन क्विकर बागापूर गोया एअरपोर्टार हे बेगीन उचपाक आमी करूया रोजार जायना जाल्यार आमी द्या डायरेक्ट चंद्रार
देव बरें करूं बाय वालेंका हें जावन आसलें ताचें गीत डायरेक्ट चंद्रार आतां काळेवर फुडें वतना आमचें फुडलें गीत जावन आसा दोतोरांचो दोतोर आयज चडशे दोतोर एकदम कमर्शियल जाल्ले आमकां दिसता जाल्यार कांय जाण पयशांची आशा म्हणयतात पूण हे गितांतलो आमचो भाग्योन सांत आंतोन आमकां मिलाग्रींचो कोवोर आनीक दोतोरांचो दोतोर अशें आमी म्हणटा तो तुज्या मागण्यांक कान दिता आनी ताचे मजतीन मागलेले उपकार फावो जातात ताच्या आदारान जायत्या जाणांच्यो सांडलेल्यो वस्तू परत मेवल्यात म्हूण आमी जायत्यो टेस्टिमनीज आयकल्यात आमचो फुडलो गावपी जावन आसा बाब आर्मांडो फेर्नांडीस आनी गिताचें नांव दोतोरांचो दोतोर
Cantorista palcazzo Docta potalo Palcar catana corun Doca cușal dotalo Tori वर्षा जाली पासा Auci topi se godlo Palcar catar cotana 나와사초 본자로 원래도 돌아신게ल्या उपरांत कुडीकाचे सुटलो शेणोगाम ताऱ्याचो कॅन्सर जाला म्हूण सांगलें दोतोरान कांतार करूंक जावचें ना उलोवंक पासून जावचें ना देवान दिलोलो आवाज आनी आयकोंक मेवचो ना कॅन्सर बरो जावन नेजो दोतोरान ताका सांगलें आयकोना फुडें हें काडीस ताचेर ओडलें कांतारां करून ताणें आपलें जिवीत चाललेलें काल्याचो कॅन्सर जावन सगलें सूख ताचें सोंपलें मोय ब्रीच कॅन्डी म्हणटा थंयसर आसायोक फामाद दोतोर तो दोतोर बरो कोत्ता गोट आवाडटा सोतोर ताका दोतोराशी व्हेलो ताळो ताचो दाखयलो उदक आनी तेल वापरून कॅन्सर ताचो पिकोलो Santo no Turiaço Entre a doutora Chenão Briskendi e que gerejin Solta ta chende osa Koslin doença Curar cota de beção Talha câncer zalolo Caturis bauania Doença lotu camorosa traitor Satatoni cerva guardor Era novena taci Corea bawar tantu cor Bawar calzan gyun bit Satatoni puro cor Satatoni sauna sa Ek dotora chodoto Milag moje tai golya Bawani ek milag word Thank you.
Well, we are back once again. Are we on air? Okay, we are on air once again. Well, I've got some more announcements to make. Okay, the fourth quiz. We have two winners, one from India and the other one is from Kuwait. Well, the Indian one is Siona Xavier 164. Siona Xavier 164. Well, this is on YouTube. And we have Teros, T-R-Y-O-S-E, Teros BR, Terjos BR 7025 from Kuwait. So, well, congratulations once again, and await for your prizes, announcement of your prizes. Well, we have for the fifth quiz, we have got okay, the question, the answer for the fourth question was mommy. Okay, mommy. Was it? I saw mommy singing Santa Claus. Was that? Yeah. Okay. So, mommy was the correct answer, and went to Siona Xavier and Terjos. Okay. So we are going to take a small break. We are going to take a very short break because from the technical side, and we are also going to get you. We are going to unveil the gift that is given to all those people from Kuwait. So we had we had decided for 2 gifts. That was one was for Kuwait. The gifts which we would have to collect from okay, we will tell you that in a very, very short while from now. Let's take a break. Well, we are back with the results for the 5th quiz that was there. And the answer was drum. What was the question? Drummer boy? Okay. What did drummer boy play? Drum was the correct answer. Is that right? Drum? Yeah, of course he played the drum. Yeah, definitely he's going to play the drum. You guys are supposed to laugh also. You guys watching there supposed to laugh because my whole entire troop here is laughing. The technical team has taken off his headphones to laugh, and the stage manager Victor is like, "Oh my God, what answers?" Okay, so that goes to the correct answer was drum, and the answers were correctly answered by. The global one, Teresa Fernandes 315 from Naveli. Okay, so Teresa Fernandes 315 from Naveli, and that's from the global winner. And the winner from Kuwait was RJDD 9834. Roland Issa. Okay, that's he's from Kuwait. So we will tell you how to collect your gifts. But before that, let's see what the Kuwait has won. Kuwait viewers have won. Can we display the names of the? Okay, after this song, we are going to display the names. But before we go any further, let me call upon Cynthia to come forward. Yeah. So we are going to introduce. See here, she has got a bag with her. Can you show the viewers the bag? Okay, that's the bag. That's the bag you guys are going to win. And that bag has something in it. It has something in it, but let's not reveal it. Let me tell you that this gift has been handmade by Cynthia. Okay, so that's what is inside. So let's reveal the gift. It's not a cupcake. Yeah, it's not a cupcake. We are not supposed to eat it. It's not a cupcake. It's a candle in the form of cupcake. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. Here we go. So that's what it looks like. Yeah. So okay, so that's the gift you're going to get, and you need to collect this gift from the Kuwait people. You need to first of all, how do they contact us? Okay, please drop your ID either on Facebook or Instagram. The YouTube ID. I'm confused. This guy is confusing me. This technical team, I don't know why we hire these technical guys. You tell me. Okay, you want to come in front? Yeah, we need to see your face. So how many of you guys need to see his face? Okay, Elton, we need you in front. Come on, Elton. Elton, it's okay. Your hair is not good. We know what you are. Come on stage. Come. Just come. We need you. She is asking for a hairspray. Okay. Okay. Come closer, Cynthia. Okay. How do we collect this? How do our viewers, the ones who won, collect this from us?
I'd say all the winners from Kuwait, please put in on YouTube chat. Please put in either your Facebook ID or your Instagram ID, so that we can contact you and get in touch with you regarding the prize.
It was so simple, and you made it look so complicated. Well, that's Elton, the guy who's right behind the seamless transmission of the live transmission that's happening today. So put some comments for him. He's really done a good job. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and thank you, Cynthia. And we're going to collect this. We will tell you from where you collect it also. As soon as you drop in the comment on YouTube, we will tell you how to collect your gift. In the meantime, yes, come on. Let's go. Okay. Tessie, come over. Hey, Tessie always comes with the best outfits. You can see that. Okay, here we go. What's the next song?
Well, the next song is it's a very common name. The name of this song is a very common name in Goa, and it's Johnny. And Romeo, my brother is also Johnny. But now here we have our freshly tuned Rachel with a song Johnny Yeah. गोंयांत कितलेच जॉनी आसतले पूण बाय रेशलाचें गीत खंयच्या जॉनीक उलो कोत्ता तें आमी आयकुया. Over to
मोगान पडोन हांव जाली काजार गोरकार म्हजो गुपीत आसा तारवार आपूर बायेन बेच दिवन ह्या पोल्यार गेलो म्हूण सुस्कारून जाता बेजार ये जॉन ये आनी कोपान म्हाका घे ये Johnny, ani kopan makage. Kopi tu asai tarvache, nodor galtai somdirache. Ye Johnny, big nodor gal mujhe. Kazarache amrut saklena Kazar kite temui gomlena हांव उठ्ठना बसतना ये जॉन ये आनी कोपान म्हाका घे ये जॉन ये आनी कोपान म्हाका घे कोपीत तूं व्हडले तारवाचो कोपीत तूं मोच्या काळजाचो ये जॉन ये उजो पालोय मोगाचो फुगार जाता हांव मोगान तुज्या कोपान धरूंक आशेतांच्या ह्या काळजाचो तूं जालोय राजा बेगीन ये घेवन रोजा ये जॉन ये आनी कोपान म्हाका घे ये जॉन ये आनी कोपान म्हाका घे बायल तुजी साक्रामेंताची राणी हांव तुज्या काळजाची ये जॉन ये उजो पालोन आसा तुजी Thank you.
देव बरें करूं बाय रेशल. And now we have a bonus question. This question does not have any prize, but this is just for participation. And the question is, give us names of some Christmas sweets. Give us names of some Christmas sweets. Thank you.
Well. It's time to thank the number of people who have made this evening possible for us. First of all, we'd like to thank the location that we are shooting right now. This happens to be the residence of Victor and Betty here in Mangaf in Kuwait. So, Victor and Betty, thank you very much for all the support and all the nonsense that you had to hear from all of us. I know you did a lot of shifting of furniture and making it possible for us to have a really good show out here. And thank you very much, Victor and Betty. Well, I'm not thanking Walanka because she was sleeping the whole day. Okay, it's okay. That's off the air. We would also like to thank Tase. She's really done a good job.
My pleasure. Anytime for you, Romeo.
Hosting the entire show. And
it was a pleasure to host your show, and thank you for trusting me with your show.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming and putting in a lot of efforts. I'm really impressed by the way you put in a lot of efforts, and like those guys there, I was also getting emails and emails and emails. You guys were getting I was getting WhatsApp from you. I was getting emails from her. Saying that, okay, let's do this, let's do that, and let's do this, and let's do that. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Finally, we made it, Romeo.
Yeah, so thank you so much. We'd also like to thank Valente. Where are you? Wherever you are, come in front. Valente.
Valente, please, we want to have you here. With your Christmas hat, please.
Yeah, with your Christmas hat.
Don't take it off.
He's with his Christmas hat. Oh, look at him.
Look at him. Different
good,
look.
You look good. Valente is really busy, and he works very early in the morning, and yet he was there with us for our practices, and then he rushed home, and then I don't know what time he went to sleep and what time he got up, but then he never complained about the rehearsals or the practices that we were having here at this place. So thank you very much, Valente.
My pleasure.
Yeah, come, just come behind. We also have Armando. Okay, everybody's coming with caps, huh?
It's
This guy's
Christmas
coming
time.
This
Christmas
guy's
has
coming
just
with the
begun.
longest cap. Okay, any prize going out to the tallest, tallest individual? You put something inside the cap? Nothing, huh?
Maybe
Just
Christmas
empty.
goodies.
Okay, so thank you, Armando. You really have a beautiful voice and a wonderful voice, and it was a pleasure of having you on this show. Well, I never thought I would have you. I think you were the last entry that was into our show, and I'm glad that you became a part of this show. Thank you very much, Armando. Well, the couple who was like so much filled with chemistry, Ashwin and Cynthia. Can I have you in front, please? Ashwin and Cynthia. These are the two people who have really sang well and beyond my expectation. As I was talking in the green room to you, as I was talking to you in the green room, you guys were really beyond expectation, and it was a pleasure of me having you on my show. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Well, we have Natasha. Oh, I saw her as a dancer, and yeah, that's Natasha, and she's also a dancer. She's also a dancer, apart from being a singer. So, what do we tag you as? Singer and dancer, or dancer and singer?
She's two in one. She's two in one, Romeo.
Now we tag her as singer and dancer also. Okay, so you are really a good singer, and I know how much of efforts you took to sing those songs, and the number of corrections that you did on your song. Wow, I mean, she has really taken so much of efforts to bring that song here on this screen. So thank you so much, Natasha. Thank you very much. We have Rachel. So Rachel, can you come in front? Well, Rachel was, I saw her for one of our chalets a year back, I suppose. And then,
that's right.
Yeah.
That's the first time she sang, I guess.
Yeah,
with
and
you.
then I heard,
with you.
No, before that. I mean, she said.
Oh, okay. I remember that chalet we
Yeah,
had at Cup. Yeah.
that at Cup. And then she sent me one of her videos, which was really, really, really with a very good voice. And I decided, yes, we can do something with emerging star like this. Okay, and that's how. Thank you so much, Rachel. Thank you so much for being on this show. And I really, I mean it for all of you guys. Thank you so much for really really making this show what it was. It was not. You made it into something really good. Okay, and then we have Walanka.
Welcome.
The one who has been sleeping. No, I mean, were you sleeping last night? Yeah, she was. You guys won't believe it. She went to the church in the yesterday evening, and she came back today morning. And like she was with sleepy eyes, all her friends are literally sleeping today at the church. Yeah, for during the practices. But here we have the full of energy girl. So really, thank you so much, Valanka, for coming on this show and making this the most good show. And thank you for that song. That song was by Zuzia Mascarenhas. So thank you, Zuzia Mascarenhas, for this composing that song. And thank you so much, and may God bless you too. So thank you very much for being on this show. Now the guys who don't want to be seen on the screen at all.
But let's take the names
But let's
again.
take the names. Victor has been really with a belt in his hand, trying to push everybody on the screen and push them back to the green room. And he has been really handling the entire thing, putting up all this, the lights and the tables and moving the furnitures and all that thing. So thank you so much, Victor. Thank you for all the efforts you have put. We also like to thank EchoStream Productions. They have been really, as I've already spoken to you, what they did. I cannot be grateful to Elton especially, and Elton's dad, and Elton's place where I was literally nailing something in his head, and I said, no, I don't like it. I don't like it. And he said, no, let's try it out. Let's try it out. And till yesterday, he was with us. Thank you so much, Elton. Thank you so much for being on this show. We have Neswin. Wow, Neswin. who is really doing a very good job, and with all wires and laptops and things like that. And I won't tell you what he's doing, but because he's doing everything in one. So thank you, Ashwin. Thank you so much.
In fact, Romeo, you know that we told Ashwin at the last moment, but still he said yes to us.
Yeah, I
We are
know.
so grateful to him.
Thank you so much,
Honestly,
Ashwin.
seriously.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashwin.
And well, we'd like to also thank all of you, because without you, this show would have never been a success. I've seen a few messages here and there, because I was also stressed about getting in and getting out. But I've seen a few messages, and you guys were really there with us. So thank you very much, each and every one of you. And we're going to take one last song, and all together, we are going to take one last song, and that's going to close up the evening, the show that is coming live to you from Kuwait. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and good night, everyone. This is going to be the last track. Thank you. Over to the technical team. Kushal kahe na hai sansoya, Dusman kai di pois koroya, Natalanzo di surbe gazoya, Uzwaram chakazani, Uzwaram chagarani, Ami sogli, Jesus uzwa, Shibrauya. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, all together. Feliz Navidad, prospero año, felicidad. Once again. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año, felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Come on, sing. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Woo! Enjoy. Have a Merry Christmas, guys. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Feliz Navidad.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad.
And a Happy New Year.
Feliz Navidad.
Prospero año y felicidad.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.